deep in the fronts, talking heavy in the voice, still chunky but funky. But in my head,
You're making it seem like I actually, like, bro. White guys hear this shit and just think, like, I'm fucking elevated right now, dude. That shit is fucking.
Shut the fuck up. Goddamn, nigga.
Eminem can't dance either. You know what he does in his songs? He's like, white guys do that shit. They're like, oh, they're rapping hard. I won't say the N word, so I'll tell you something that you might heard. Niggas be like, da 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 da. White guys.
How we feeling about this, y'all? How we feeling about this? Okay. All right.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Tiki T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get heavily. Keep it pee, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a bitty clean.
As you can now see, I want some tall, you know what I'm saying? I want some tall plants. When I walk in my room, it looks like a forest, like a little jungle. Like, doesn't that look cool, bro? So what I gotta do now is this and that pot. Oh my God, there's a spider on my roof. From these plants, bro. You gotta really be careful bringing this stuff in your home. But like, it's a real life spider up there. Can y'all see him? Y'all see, buddy? Let me flip the camera. Oh no! Dude, I'm scared. I'm scared. I gotta sleep in here.
Right back. I walked in the studio. Noel said, I thought you quit. I said, no, I'm quitting again because I started again. Gotta wait on that.
One of them ones.
It's like the storm.
Okay, the spider's running, bro. He's running. Look, y'all see him running across the roof?
Hey,
Dude.
look.
Freaky things caught on
Look.
camera. Look at him.
Here we go. Decompress before the intermission. Done a lot of post-game talking, but this one different. I told Lee to put him in the car, but don't pistol whip him. And definitely do not shoot his ass.
So I got the pots, I got the plant, I got the soil, maybe another pot, and I got some water from the gas station, because, you know, water. But, y'all, look at the plant, it's so nice, it's so beautiful. You dig? And then I got the other one in there. Some more scared to touch. Some of this one first. Let's see how it goes, y'all.
Still down at base camp, they planning their expedition. Y'all the type to catch a charge, head to the deposition, and act like the rapper named after the sex position. But let me tell you about my brother though. Let me tell you about my brother though. For real. Let me tell you about my brother. Man, let me tell you about my brother though.
I even got this just because I've seen a few videos saying like this is the best soil you want to get for pot plants because they got like nutrients and they got, it says it's got like a bunch of worm castings and a bunch of fungi, whatever. I don't know enough about plants, but I am trying to like really learn so I can keep my plants alive because I'm tired of dying. Bro, my plants keep dying, bro. Y'all don't even know how plants are dying. What are we gonna name this plant, bro? What are we gonna name it?
Let me tell you about my brother though. Yeah, I mean enough about me. Let me tell you about my brother though. Cause I'll backhand you boys with my right hand. You niggas do your shooting on the web, you Spider-Man. My brother robbing and down you juniors like Iron Man. My brother make your ace disappear like a sleight of hand. My brother carry bundles and extensions like hair stores. It's me, him, and a white team, we moving like Paramore. He into some shit that they call eternal affairs for. I'm someone he care for, I'm someone he there for. My brother put some holes in your top, you a Air Force. I should charge for interviews, they want me to share more. A ticket just to check in with the boy like the airport. This the part of the story you wasn't prepared for. Let me tell you about my brother though. My brother say I'm better than everyone, he biased as fuck. Blood is thicker than water, nigga, his iron is up. And if you keep eyeing me down, trust me, his iron is up. Your last album was Buns, you niggas Hawaiian as fuck. Niggas so down bad, they making alliances up. Clicking up with haters that was thinking of signing to us. Knowing good and well that when I drop, they inspired as fuck. Secret admirers too embarrassed, they hide in the cut. Seeing towering over you niggas, I'm trying as fuck. Wait on whoever to say whatever, they quiet as fuck. The city don't love you like that and they frying you up. I can't wait for the day that you choose to retire your stuff. Taking off the sneakers cause you tired of tying them up. That one day you wake up and tell them enough is enough. That's when you gon' find out you not Kobe Bryant to us. Yeah, you not Kobe Bryant to us at all. And if them hoes really love you, then them hoes, they lying to us. They say they miss when you got them wet and you drying them up. Also don't doubt that you sent them here and they spying on us. Man, either way, nigga, beware of the dog. Deep in my character flaws. Humble back in 2012, now I give arrogant balls. I remember Blue Street with Neeks, we shared.